Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share elegant TV cabinet design ideas for your living room. So welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you the inspiration with our latest TV cabinet design trends. In this video, we will take you on a journey through a variety of stylish and functional TV cabinet designs that will transform your living room into a true entertainment place. Discover how to maximize your space with innovative storage solutions, explore different material and finishes, and learn about the latest design concept to suit your home decor. From minimalistic modern TV cabinets to rustic farmhouse inspired cabinets, we have got you covered. Whether you are a fan of sleek and minimalistic design or prefer a more traditional look, this video offers a beautiful collection of ideas to cater to your unique style. We will provide you the tips on how to choose the perfect TV cabinet that not only complements your television but also adds a touch of sophistication to your space. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates on design inspiration. Join us as we explore the world of TV cabinet design and make your living room the envy of your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time. Bye bye.